Hello there, this is Chris, here to share hacks for the Logitech 604. So basically there's two issues. Usually is the outer coating, which you can see my beautiful leather coating here, and the other one is where the left click doesn't function properly. It drops and you can't select properly. So most people will swap out the switch for a Japanese switch, but I found a better solution which only requires some silicone oil and a toothpick. So basically there's a lot of online videos on how to open up the 604. So you just open up the 604, then when you reach the switch, use a screwdriver to push down the button and just drip the oil onto this switch. Don't get it everywhere, just onto the switch. Let it soak in. You only need about one to two drops maximum, and then just press it up and down. Then you will see it's brilliant. So basically it restores the functionality.